how to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign out YouTube account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically sign out your YouTube account from other devices, you can simply open up the YouTube application here and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, signing out your YouTube account simply means signing out your Google account from other devices. So to do that, just tap the YouTube profile icon here, then just go to this little option here that says Google account and then tap on it. Once you go to Google account, just select the Google account that you wish to sign out from, and once you select that, you will come to the Google account management page. Now from here, if you look, you'll find a tab that says security. So just go to the security tab here, and as you come to the security tab, simply scroll down here and you'll find one of the option that says your devices. If you look under your devices here, you'll see an option that says manage all devices here. So you just want to make sure to tap this option called manage all devices, as you can see over here. Once you go to manage all devices, you will be able to see a list of devices that are currently logged into your Google account or your YouTube account. So you can select a certain one over here, and once you have done that, you will be able to just tap on the sign out option that you can find here and then tap the sign out button to be able to sign out of those. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically sign out your YouTube account of other devices, which in this case is also your Google account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.